We are talking, you guys, about the A minor progression. The only note that moves in this progression is the A note, and it moves a half step descending in this particular case. And a half step interval is a fret. Fret by fret, it's a half step interval. We're going up to the 14th fret. See where that is on your ukulele. If you are playing a concert, you're probably going to be over here somewhere. A tenor, right here. So you can just kind of eyeball the curve of your ukulele. And here we are, 14th fret. Now, see if I strum that, that is an A minor chord. It's an octave higher than this. Do you hear that? The difference is this note is an octave higher than this A. Here's an A, here's an A. And we're going to move down a half step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We end up at an open string version of a D7 chord. Let's try that again. 2, 3, 4. Again. One more time.